I just wanted to show a slight variation on some of the other videos that I've seen on YouTube where people are engaging in the process of installing fork seals. This is an installation that I'm doing currently. New seals inside there. This is the old seal. This is a workmate, and I've got it clamped in to the workmate. I'm using the PVC as a stop. I've cut it on both sides and then just fitted it. Tried using the clamps, hose clamps, but it was still moving a little bit. I found this actually to be a lot more effective because the PVC actually stops here on the workmate, so you've got a solid stop so that you can actually move in and out in this fashion to hammer in your new seal. So I think it's there and it's ready for the C-clip. I just wanted to demonstrate this in case anybody is wanting to try this method. Thanks, have a great day. Bye.